Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. This is a fun video series I run every single Saturday, and it serves as a great place for me to update the community on anything that I've been working on, and also have the community have a great place to share anything that they have been working on. If you have any updates you'd like to see shared next week, as always, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'd love to try to share them. So I'd like to first start off this week's Locksport update by sharing a channel that was mentioned in the comment section last week. This is a very small channel that only has about less than 10 subscribers, and the channel name is called Freakin' Pickin'. This is a pretty cool small channel, and what I'm going to do is share a quick clip of it for you right now.
So, welcome to Freaking Picking. This is Lock. So, my tools, I have my homemade holder, just a bit of pine and a screw. I have a cheap pick, this one's a Lock Cowboy, and on top of the keyway tension wrench. Now I like this lock, it's easy to pick, has some nice spools, it's predictable. So, first of all, pin 1, got that, click. Now pin 2, to bring out like for counter rotation, click, and we're open. Now what's nice about this lock is the counter rotation is quite clear when you have a spool, and it's good practice. If you try this with too much tension, it completely locks up. If you try it with not enough tension, pins drop left, right and centre. So it's a good practice lock, I like it. Anyway, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for checking out Freakin' Pickin'. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by them, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. The next channel that I'd like to mention this week is going to be Lockpicking's gal. She mentioned that she just got her orange belt on Reddit. I just want to say that that is a really cool thing to do, and I just want to say congratulations to you for that, and thank you so much for sharing. So one thing I'd like to mention is there was a couple of questions last week on what is the karate belt system. The karate belt system is a just fun flare that was created on Reddit's r/lockpicking page, and what it does is it assigns a flare to its members. What you have to do is pick certain locks in certain categories, and once you're able to show that you're able to accomplish them through a video, you can get the flare assigned to your name. It's a cool little fun ranking system. It is not meant to be competitive, it's just to be fun. And I just wanted to share that with you. If anyone's ever wondered where that's from, it's on Reddit r/lockpicking. But either way, guys, this has just been a very brief Locksport update. I've had a tremendously busy week, and I did not have a tremendous amount of time to be able to put together a long video. If you have anything that you would like to see shared next week, as always, please drop it in the comment section below. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below as well. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.